Fluidization. Fluidization is a process in which static solid flows due to flow of gas in fluidized bed. The size and shape of the particles in fluidized bed is same. Practical example for fluidization process is popcorn maker. This is fluidized bed in which the gas is passed through the bottom and the solid is passed at the top. This is distributor in which the gas is passed through the distributor. At minimum fluidization velocity, the static solid flows as a fluid. Regimes of fluidization. Initially, when gas is passed through the fluidized bed of solid, there is no change in height of the bed, only the solid vibrates. Further increase in velocity of gas at minimum fluidization velocity, the static solid flows as a fluid. Due to that, the bed of the fluidized bed increases. This is minimum fluidization. Further increase in gas velocity, there is a formation of bubble in fluidized bed, that is bubbling bed, slugging bed. Here the ratio of height of the fluidized bed to bed diameter is high. At this condition, the size of the bubble moreover equal to the bed diameter. Turbulent bed, when the gas velocity is greater than the terminal velocity of particles, turbulent bed occurs at different size and shape. Further increase in gas velocity, the solid moves freely, that is pneumatic transport. Minimum fluidization velocity states that the drag force of upward moving gas is equal to the weight of particles. Gel-Dart classification of particle. Gel-Dart classified particles into 4 types based on fluidization behavior. Group A particle size ranges between 20 to 100 micrometer and it has low density. Example for group A particle is zeolite, which is used as a catalyst in fluid catalytic cracking, that is FCC. Group B particle size ranges between 40 to 500 micrometer and its density ranges between 1.4 to 4 gram per centimeter cube. Group B particles, during fluidization process in group B particles, the bubble formation takes place in minimum fluidization, that is incipient fluidization. Example for group B particle is sand. Group C particles size ranges between 20 to 30 micrometer. It is very fine particles and cohesive in nature. Due to cohesive in nature, external force is needed, that is mechanical agitation is done during fluidization process. Example for group C particle is flour. Group D particles which has the size greater than 600 micrometer and its density is high. Example for group D particle is coffee bean. Advantage of fluidization process. Fluidization process is suitable for large scale operation. In fluidization process, the heat and mass transfer rate is high. Disadvantages of fluidization processes: due to rapid mixing of solid, RTD is non-uniform, that is residence time distribution is not in uniform in fluidization process. Due to bypass of solid, contact in fluidization process is insufficient. Application for fluidization processes: it is used in fluidized bed reactor and also in fluid catalytic cracking. Thank you.